difficult to get along. Then another dialogue he added was nice to have a nice to have a Nitromur girlfriend, but if you have a Nitromur wife, your life is going to be very tough. Again, I couldn't follow it because, of course, that time I was new in homeopathy and I just couldn't pursue the matter. Then later on, he explained me in detail. It is nice to have a Nitromur girlfriend, but if she becomes a wife, then your life can be quite quite tragic. And he told me in detail why. Because if you have a Nitromur girlfriend, she agrees to every suggestion you make. Now we'll come to the conclusion why she agrees. But if you say, okay, let's go to Juhu Chowpatty today, she'll say, okay, fine. No, let's go to Girgaon Chowpatty. This is okay, fine. No, not today. I'm not interested in Girgaon Chowpatty or Juhu Chowpatty, but I feel that we should go to the Malabar Hill. You say, okay. Then if we go to Malabar Hill, you say, okay, I'd like to have Bhel Puri. Would you like to have one Bhel Puri? He says, yes. Then you ask her, I'm going to have juice. Would you like to have some juice? She'll say, yes. So you'll say, my God, how cooperative my girlfriend is. Definitely you'll feel your girlfriend is a very cooperative person and whatever you say, she agrees to it immediately. So now here, nice to know. You should have a girlfriend who follows whatever you say. In fact, she is suppressing her problems. In fact, she keeps on suppressing her problems. She doesn't speak out what a problem is, nor she can express. She is basically an introvert. But though she may not be liking it, just for your sake, just to impress you, she'll say yes. Now here lies the real meaning of Natremur. They say long-standing grief. We say long-standing grief. Now why do we say long-standing grief? It is not a recent grief. For example, you get a Natremur wife. First 6 months you will be very happy. That whatever you say, she agrees. You say, okay, I want wangeji bhaji, you will make wangeji bhaji. You say dodkaji bhaji, you will make dodkaji bhaji. Tomorrow if you say bhendi ji bhaji, okay, bhendi ji bhaji. Then you say, okay, I want to have shrikand, you make shrikand. Here, she is not expressing her desire. But one fine day, you'll realize, any person will realize that she is not expressing her individual views. Why does not she express individual views? Because she is suppressing them. She just to stay away from everything. She keeps on suppressing her feelings, her emotions, her anger, her happiness. She will never suggest, I feel like going to Mahabaleshwar for a trip, or I feel like going to Goa for a trip. You tell her, okay, let's go, let's have a trip to uh, Uti, Utakmandu, and she'll say, okay, fine, I'll come. So here, initially as a wife, you will feel that she is so cooperative and there's no contradiction at all. But later on, you start realizing what's this problem? Why is she not expressing? She should express whatever your feelings are. Has to be expressed. She also has to have her own choice. Why she is not talking about her own choice? Every time I say so, she says that yes. Okay, agreed. Now, these separations, they don't immediately come out. There's no eruption of these separations in the initial stage. But in the later stage, I say when in later stage, when after some time, you'll realize after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, remember one thing, my dear friends, that Natremur is not an idiot. Her memory is excellent. She can remember every incident. If you have seen, there's one movie called Dil Chahta Hai. Dil Chahta Hai, this one movie where one of the characters is, he keeps on remembering every moment. 6 महीने पहले हम यहाँ आए थे, आपने ये जूस पिया, मैंने आपको एक फूल दिया, and so on and so forth. So this type of memories the Natremur has, and one fine day when she is offended for some petty reason, she'll just come out and she'll explode. She'll explode in such a way that she will narrate, well, 12 years back, that was a Tuesday, it was 5 o'clock in the evening, and uh, you wanted to have a cold drink, though I wanted to have tea, but because of you, I had to have a cold drink. So every time you will find Natremur will be every time you will find Natremur will be suppress express every time you'll find Natremur will be suppressing her desires, and she remembers all those moments whenever she has suppressed a desire. She remembers all those moments when, though she wanted to do something, she was not been able to do it, probably because of the pressure, probably because of to impress you, whatever it is. But this eruption, when it takes place, then it is a hell, because she cannot, she gets offended very easily. Every time she gets offended, she brings out all the old memories whenever she was insulted, whenever she was put down, whenever she was spoken to, whenever she was scolded. So all these old memories she brings out. So what makes it what will happen then? Here, when that means her brain is working very fast. When the brain is working very fast and the body in comparison is not working that much, that you'll find in Natremur upper body emaciated and lower body semi-dropsical. Now what happens here? Because they say 2 hours of mental labor is equal to 8 hours of physical labor. And when she goes continuously through this mental grief or suppressed grief or suppressed emotions, what we say here, because of the suppressed emotions and suppressed grief, she starts emaciating in the upper body. That is, her face you will find emaciating, her neck you will find emaciating, her shoulders, her chest, everything there you will find emaciating. It starts emaciating slowly, but the lower body remains semi-dropsical. That is, it can remain as a on the obese side, whereas the upper body just shrinks. And this is a typical constitution of Natremur, where we have, I mean, there are 2, 3 remedies, other remedies. One of them is lycopodium. Again, both these remedies are basically very intelligent, and both these remedies are great thinkers. Natremur thinks in a very negative form, whereas lycopodium, though it thinks in a positive form, but there is a lot of apprehension. Here, Natremur is because of the suppressed grief and long-standing grief. It can be for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, and so on. So here, Natremur, you'll find them just shrinking on the upper body. Then there's one more terminology in Natremur. They say a good remedy for school-going girls remedy, school-going girls headache, or they say Natremur is a remedy where it is more suited to school-going girls. Now, what are school-going girls? Remember one thing, my friends, in foreign countries, in Western countries, every college is also known as school. A medical college is known as medical school. A business college is known as business school. A arts college is known as art school. So that means Natremur is a typical remedy which is suited to the young crowd. I mean, of course, the teenage, what we say, the teenage crowd is very typical suited for Natremur. So here there is a constant, again, because of constant thinking and constant brain working. I mean, brain is constantly working. She can go into anemia, where it is known as school going girls headache or anemic headache. So nitramur is not the only remedy for anemia, but a lot of people, if there's anemia, the first remedy of choice will be Ferromet. Not necessary. If nitramur I think nitramur can be used more frequently in anemia than Ferromet, because we have a huge population of school-going girls and boys, school-going girls and boys, where if they are under suppression, if they are just suppressed for some reason, it can really put them on the defensive. And once they start exploding, they'll explode out everything, whatever has happened in the last few years. It is on the tip of the tongue because it is in the memory section of the brain. Then one more thing in nitramur they say is uh, here nitramur, as I told you, she doesn't suppress, she doesn't express. There's only a suppression. There's no expression. If she's happy, she doesn't laugh out. When she's sad, she doesn't cry out. And when she is angry, she doesn't speak out. So what does she do then? She she remember, my dear friend, she goes into a room, cries herself out, cleans her face, washes her face, and comes back. So she weeps when she is alone. She won't weep in front of others. She'll never express her feelings. So she'll weep when she's alone. So here again, you'll find there's nothing wrong in weeping with others if there is a sad incident, but you can always share the grief, you can share the joy, and you can share the anger also. But and Natramur, she won't share. She'll go into the room, weep, and come out. So in Natramur, we have then in small children, were very important, because whenever we talk about small children, we think of calcarea carb, or we think of silicia, we think of calcarea phos, we think of baraita carb, all these remedies for small children. But if there's a late speaking, if the child doesn't speak for a long time, normally a child starts uttering words by the age of 10, 11 months. Ma, ba, ba, some words or full sentences, it will take some more time, but you can make out that the person has started talking uh, early. So either it can be Barata Carb, where there is mentally mentally retarded, or Natramur, which is having a late speaking and late talking and late walking. Now walking, I always thought Calcarea group was a remedy responsible for walking, but Calcarea group cannot walk because they cannot hold their weight. The bones are weak, the musculature is weak. The whole Calcarea group, Calcarea carb, Calcarea phos, their muscles are weak. That's why they cannot support their weight. That is not the case with Natramur. Natramur is late learning to walk, late learning to speak. So this is both in Natramur, and here Natramur does surpass other remedies whenever this particular symptom is existing. Then one more thing in Natramur, which in general, which I saw was the whole of Natrum group. Remember, my dear friends, the whole of Natrum group is aggravated from sunrise to sunset. It might be Natrum Moor, Natrum Phos, Natrum Car, Natrum Sulf. So, of course, Natrum Moor is there. So, whole of Natrum group is aggravated from sunrise to sunset, or the symptoms start from the sunrise, reach at the midday. They are most severe in the midday, and by evening the sun sets, and most of his problems are over. That includes headache also. It is known as sun heat headache. He'll say that whenever he goes out in the sun, he comes back with a severe headache because he cannot be exposed to the sun. So it is basically Natramur or sun or also known as Ravi, इसका और Natramur का कोई जमता नहीं है. Because Ravi is also sun, of course. So Natramur और Ravi का जमता नहीं है, and that's why you will have early tanning of the skin also. They say we use this sun, sun protection lotion or whatever that lotion is known as, sun guard or sun protection lotion. But I feel Natramur will do much better than this sun protection lotion, where if a person is having a tendency of getting tan, why not think of Natramur? Because Natramur has got aggravation during from sunrise to sunset, and this aggravation is a marked feature of the Natrum group, because the whole group is having aggravation from sunrise to sunset. Then remember, my dear friends, where we were talking about the anemic headaches or the sun heat headaches. Both this remedy, both these headaches are a cause of Natramur, and of course, because of headache due to prolonged grief, he keeps of thinking about his grief. He doesn't express them, and one day, as I told you, there will be explosion where she will be very easily offended. She will be very easily offended. Natramur, because of this introvert nature, I always find her to have loss of confidence. Always find her with loss of confidence, because she doesn't want to express herself. So normally, people with high confidence, they just openly come and express themselves. But that's not the case with Natramur. Natramur is always suppress his feelings, so there's a lot of confidence. And whichever remedy is in lack of confidence, you always find palms and soles sweating. The palms and the soles, they sweat. It can be Natramur, it can be Silicia, it can be Lycopodium, it can be acid nitricum. All these remedies, they are having severe sweating of the palms and soles. The palms and soles, they keep on sweating, and this is because of lack of confidence, because she cannot express herself. I'm repeating it. She is not an express, she or he, whatever it is not an expressive person, always keep to the problems to themselves. So here in Natramur, you'll have a lot of suppressions in Natramur. Then here again, I bring you back to the hair fall of Natramur with dandruff, especially along the edge of the scalp or edge of the hair. You'll have a lot of eruptions, especially on the scalp with dandruff. You also have dandruff in Natramur, and early graying of hair because of constant grief. Early graying of hair, graying early, where sometimes you find split ends in girls who are very young, especially college going girls, or early graying of hair. And Natramur, in couple of cases, I've had very good results in Natramur as far as the symptoms agree. And then there's one desire, a very strong desire in Natramur, the desire for salt. Now, Natramur desire for salt probably because of the low blood pressure which she goes through. She is always constantly having low blood pressure. Natramur is having low blood pressure, and because of low blood pressure, probably there is a great desire for salt to increase the blood pressure. So Natramur is a remedy where there is a low blood pressure and there is a great desire for salt. But Natramur is also used for aversion for salt. It is a double-edged sword where you will find Natramur is having a great desire for salt, and also Natramur is having aversion for salt. Is par ya us par. Natramur, no, if the person says, no, I don't take extra salt in my food, then you can always ask him, what about the athanu? What in Gujaratis they call it the achar, or we call it lonsa. Do you crave for lonsa? And then she may agree. If she doesn't agree to that also, even if you feel that the person is Natramur, ask her or him, do you like pernicious? Do you like pernicious foods. Now, what are pernicious foods? Pernicious foods are foods with high carbohydrates. That includes idli, vada, dosa, burgers, sandwiches, then chips. All this you find, all this potato chips and all that. Even this finger chips, what we get in the McDonald's. So here you ask them, and all these foods are high in sodium. I mean, high in sodium chloride, or high in salt, and they are highly. If they say I'm very fond of fast food, if the person says I'm very fond of fast food, then again it may lead us to nitromore. Then one more thing which brought me to nitromore a couple of times was he says that I have got a great craving for fish. Great craving for fish. Now here, craving for fish, majority of the fish comes from the sea, of course. Very few people eat the freshwater fish, but the sea fish, if he talks about great desire for sea fish and constantly want, whenever there's a fish, that's a feast for him. And again, we think of his nitromore. Then if you see the nitromere headache, you will have as if thousand little hammers hammering on the scalp, and the person is having those dizziness in front of the eyes because of the blindness or dizziness in front of the eye because of the headache. And the person says that as soon as I get home, I just close my eyes and sit because whenever I go out in the sun, these problems arise. And this problem, whenever it arises, it is a very high problem for him too. Then there's one very peculiar complaint in nitromore, which I also was not aware of because I always thought, what is this complaint? Because there's one complaint which says that nitromore falls in love with a coachman. Falls in love with a coachman. Now, coachman, now today we don't have a coachman who is driving a horse carriage, but we have drivers. So, nitromore has got a tendency of falling in love with the drivers. Now, why driver? Because he is the only person she feels she can dominate. Because she is, who will drive her? If he is a driver, he is driving her. So she'll say, okay, turn left, turn right, go straight, you go please faster, go slower. So she feels she is dominating a person. Other people, she is suppressing a problem. She cannot dominate. But a driver or a coachman, she feels that she is dominating, and she may fall in love with a driver or a coachman because she feels she is dominating the whole situation. So here, that's why that must be one of the reasons why, because there is no place where she can dominate. This is the only place where she can dominate, and that is one of the things where she may fall in love with the coachman. Then you have a very peculiar complaint of the face. There is a greasy face. The face becomes greasy. That means the sebaceous glands on the face are in hyperproduction. The face, even though she or he washes the face 5 to 6 times per day, then still after some time, the face becomes greasy and oily. And because of this excessive oil on the face, she can also suffer from pimples. These pimples, uh, especially worse during summer and better during monsoons or winter. When the summer is when the temperature is cool, pimples almost become less. And during summer vacation, whenever there's a lot of sebaceous production, so during summer, she complains of pimples all over the face. So now, my dear friends, nitromur is a big remedy. So I cannot finish it uh, today. So we continue with nitromur tomorrow. And today, now I'm going for a question and answer session. Only we have just covered the generals, so we'll cover the particulars tomorrow. So any question and answers, please?
So your experience in wards with nitromur, sir.
Sorry,
Clinical experience.
loudly.
Your experience in wards with nitromur. Clinical
Watts.
experience.
Watts you're talking about?
Wards.
Huh?
Wards, sir.
Watts,
Wards.
huh?
Yeah.
WART, watts.
Yes, wards.
Ah, that's right.
WARTS.
And watts, na? Natromur basically
Yeah.
watts, especially on the digital fingers. The fingers, whenever there are warts which are developed on the fingers, we think of natromur because natromur has got desquamation of the uh, palms, the cracking of the palms, or sometimes warts on the fingers. Natromur is having good results on warts on the fingers. Anything else?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, my pleasure, my pleasure. Yeah. Anything else? We
No,
continue
no,
with
sir.
Natromur tomorrow. Please join me if you can. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Surely, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.